much anticipated flagship, the OnePlus 15T, is finally here. Today we're going to take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. Right on the back of the box, there's a simple tear strip that makes opening it super convenient. Just pull it open and you're ready to go. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. The color version we have here is called Relaxed Matcha. That name already sounds interesting, so let's see what that relaxed matcha vibe actually looks like in person. As soon as you open the box, the first thing you notice is the green shade of the phone. The included phone case also follows this same matcha-inspired color style. I have to say, the black TPU material used for the case feels really nice. Compared to clear cases, it's much better at resisting yellowing and doesn't dry out as easily over time, which is a big plus. It's also nice that OnePlus includes a quality case in the box, so you won't need to buy one separately. That's always appreciated. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. First impressions of the color are great. Once you peel off the network access label, because of course, without removing it, you can't connect to the network, you can really appreciate the finish. The shade truly reminds me of matcha, almost like the color of a Starbucks matcha frappuccino. It looks fresh and unique. What's also interesting is that the design didn't follow the rumored Matrix-style layout similar to the iPhone. Honestly, that's a good thing. Some people say the Matrix design doesn't really add anything meaningful, and OnePlus seems to prove that point with the clean look of this device. If I had to rate the design on a scale from 1 to 5, it still carries that modern, slightly angled style. You can clearly see the sharp, right-angled edges, and the overall body feels quite compact in the hand. This isn't a huge screen device either. In fact, it's a true small-screen flagship, almost like a scaled-down version of the larger OnePlus 15. All right, let's power it on. Wow, take a look at that display. The screen is absolutely stunning. The black borders around the display are incredibly thin, and they're perfectly symmetrical on all sides. These equal bezels look fantastic. Honestly, I feel like OnePlus has done an amazing job achieving such narrow borders on a compact phone. The design feels incredibly refined. With a 6.32-inch display, a metal frame, and those large rounded corners, the phone clearly follows the path of an elegant small flagship device. In some ways, the overall feel even reminds you a bit of Apple's design philosophy. Holding it with one hand feels comfortable and balanced, which is exactly what you'd want from a compact phone. Now let's talk about one of the most surprising features. This time, the OnePlus 15T packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery. That's paired with 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. What's really impressive is that this battery capacity is larger than what you'll find in some Ultra or Pro Max phones, yet it's built into a small screen device. A 7,500 mAh battery at this size is truly rare. Another big improvement is the addition of wireless charging. The previous generation, the OnePlus 13T, didn't support it, which was a bit disappointing. But this time, OnePlus has gone all in and upgraded it straight to 50-watt wireless charging. With specs like these, the phone definitely lives up to its flagship status. We'll be doing a full in-depth review of the OnePlus 15T very soon. In that video, we'll test the performance of its periscope telephoto camera, check out the real-world battery life, and see how it handles gaming. Make sure you follow the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.